Hello, and welcome to KANINE 6. This video will go over the use of the Pass on Information board. The Pass on Information board can be likened to the bulletin board in a squad room. This screen is currently textual but may include attachments in later updates. To get to the Pass on Information board from the home screen, we simply click on the Pass on Information button at the bottom of the screen. Now we will enter a note to be passed on. To begin, press the Add button. Then, we will type in a subject much like an email, and we'll create a note of what we want to be passed on. Then we press Save. Once the note is saved, it will immediately be viewable by all users in your agency that have the permissions to access the Pass on Information board. Let's create another one for training purposes. Now we will review the searchability of these notes. Simply type the search text and press the refresh button. This will display the search results. We can then simply clear the search field and refresh again to view all notes. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos on the functionalities of KANINE 6.